All right. We all live. We all live. My name is Big Ben. If you are new to my channel, then I will show you how to read the charts. So basically, what I do is I trade full time. I have been doing this for 10 years plus, and I read the charts. To me, everything, all the information is pretty much in the charts. I don't really read the news that much because the news could be manipulated. But all the numbers and everything that you want to know is actually in the charts. So I do that. I've been doing this for 10 years plus. Certain patterns that basically is on the chart, and it happens over and over again. And you can actually take advantage of those patterns. So what I do is basically I trade Monday through Friday, day trade the futures market, and I swing trade the cryptos market. So if that's something that you want to learn and something that you basically are interested in, definitely hit the subscribe button, and we will talk about Tron today, BTC, Ethereum, a whole bunch of stuff. So if you are watching a replay, and if this thing is an hour long, you can actually speed up time by going to settings, speed, and going to 1.5 and 2, and basically you will speed up the video. So let's get this party started. Of course, during the live stream, I'm not giving nobody financial advice. This is entertainment only. So right now, like I said before, if you are new to my channel, I have been telling my subscribers ever since March, the market is in a bear market, and we pretty much been going down every single week, month, whatever you want to call it. So a lot of people that are buying and holding since January, they basically been losing a lot of money. I've been getting a lot of emails. Hey Ben, I'm down 80%. I don't know what to do. Blah blah blah. Can you help me out? So I basically been telling my subscribers, hey guys, there's another way. So I've been going live ever since. It's going on 2 weeks. I've been going live pretty much every single week, and ever since then we actually been shorting the market. So we've been making money when the market's going down. So if that's something that you want to learn and something that you are interested in, definitely subscribe to this channel, because this is what this channel is all about. Also, my channel is really deeper than crypto. I definitely want the people or my subscribers to, gain enough money so they can actually leave the 9 to 5. To me, I think a 9 to 5 is a waste of time. That's just my opinion. But it is what it is. But if you are looking to go short in this market, and if your portfolio is down, definitely tune in and look. Make sure that you watch this whole video. We have 5 more months until the end of this year, so you can still make money. So it's good news for a lot of people that are willing to change their mind. So let's go to the chat room, see if we have anybody. Rajo, what's going on? Hey, what's going on? All right, Monroe, what's going on, guys? Guys, can you hear me clear? Guys, can you hear me clear? Rajo, Monroe, can you hear me? Can you hear the microphone and everything? I'm gonna wait for a couple of more people to come in, and we're gonna get this party started. Loud and clear. What's going on, Vin? All right. So right now, I'm waiting for more people to come in so we can get this party started. So while we wait for people to come in, basically we have been looking at BTC, and I'm in right now. I'm in Ethereum and BTC. So I'm in Ethereum and BTC, and right now I got my one-on-one on BTC. I got the one-on-one on BTC, but I mean not BTC, Ethereum. I got the one-on-one, but my BTC, I'm monitoring my BTC, making sure that everything is okay, because we had a lot of winning trades in a row. So I'm willing to cut my BTC short if I don't like how it looks. So that's where I'm at right now. So let's see who's going on. MK, what's going on? Yeah, MK. MK, you don't still have a laptop? I thought you had a laptop, MK. Yeah, so right now I'm waiting for more people to come in. Right now, I guess in this time zone, either people's at work or whatever the case is. But while we waiting for people to come in, you said I do, but it's not. I'm working right now. Oh, okay, I see what you're talking about. I see. I hear you. So what time you coming back home? So I was telling my audience earlier today, be careful, because these YouTubers that's on YouTube, they are willing to tell you anything to make you feel good, to make you you know, come back to their channel. So they would say, listen guys, keep on buying the dips. But that's a dangerous and reckless thing to do, because right now we are in the bear market, and buying dips in the bear market is very dangerous. It's very dangerous. So right now, we are in BTC. We are in this channel, and we going down in the channel right here. So like I said, I'm looking for BTC to hit the bottom of the channel, maybe 56, 55, and then we'll see where we go from there. We'll see if it's going to bounce off the channel or just keep on going down. We'll see. I'm waiting for more people to come in so we get this party started. Like I said, I think a lot of people is at work right now, but it is what it is. So right now, if you go to CoinMarketCap, I was telling you guys that my magic number was 300 billion, and I noticed that it couldn't really reach or go to 300 billion, I think last week, and ever since then we've been selling off. So the way I'm thinking about it, I don't think this market will go to 300 billion no time soon. And when I mean no time soon, I'm talking about maybe this week, maybe in the future, maybe a month, next month, whatever. But right now, I think the market is weak, and I think it want to continue to go down and hit a specific target. Right now, I don't see 300 billion. It could go up, but it's hard for me to see 300 billion. It just looks so weak. So we'll see though. We'll see if this thing can continue to go down, because right now we do have the ability to continue to go up. But this right here, if you notice, this swing right here is resistance right here. So if we do even go up from here, right, we have resistance right here, and we have resistance right here off the swing. We have resistance right here. We have this resistance right here off this low, and we got resistance right here. So we have a lot of resistance. BTC has to, you know, fight. So I hear you, man. I hear you. Roger, what's going on? Glenn, what's going on? Yeah, man. HD, are you new to my channel, HD? So Walmart shopper said, I wish my account was live. Savage Prophet in the demo. I hear you, man. So for you guys that's just tuning in, HD, are you new? For you guys that's just basically tuning in, hold on for a second, guys. Let me see something. Oh no, okay, because I don't know if I saw you in the chat room before. I don't know if I saw you in the chat room. So right now BTC is in this channel, and I told you guys to be careful buying these so-called dips, which is not really dips. It's just the market pulling back. You know, be careful, because like I said, your YouTuber, your favorite YouTuber, is not going to if you lose money, he's not going to give you your money back. So he's telling everybody to buy dips, and you have to be careful with that. So right now, I'm just going to wait for more people to come in. So let's wait. But meanwhile, while we're waiting, let's go to the 4 hour. And the guys that's in this chat room, like I said earlier, I'm in right now. I'm in BTC and I'm in Ethereum. I'm in both of them. I'm in Ethereum and BTC. So let's look at Ethereum. Ethereum right now, I got my 1-to-1 on Ethereum. I got the 1-to-1. So I want to see if this bad boy continue to go down. But my BTC, last time I checked, it wasn't at 1-to-1 yet. So BTC, I'm willing to, on my BTC, I'm willing to get out this if I don't like how it looks. My Ethereum is actually going as planned. My Ethereum is actually going as planned. Hold, let me go. Sheesh. Hold on. I don't know what's going on. My computer is freezing. Gosh, what's going on here? Okay. All right, so Ethereum is going as planned, but my BTC is kind of slow right now. So like I said, I'm willing to get out the BTC if I don't like the price action, but Ethereum trade is working out pretty good. So I'm liking what I'm seeing right now. And the reason why I'm willing to get out my BTC trade is because we've been winning 1, 2, 3, 4 trades in a row. So this is the 5th one. So, you know, I'm pretty cautious right now. So if I don't like how BTC is looking, I will get out that trade. But my Ethereum trade is looking real good. So let's go back to the chat room. You said probably too many tabs open. Yeah, I know, you're right. But can you hear me though? Can you hear me, guys? Making sure everybody can hear me. You said Roger does jazz fat. I don't know. I never checked because I don't like trading on apps, Rajal. So you have to either do a live chat with them or look through their website. I don't know. I never, you know, I never asked them before. So you guys hear me pretty good or what? Okay. All right, no problem. Cool. Ace, what's going on, Ace? Glenn. Kevin. Hey, what's going on, Kevin? All right. We're going to get this party started today. We're going to get this party started, man. So my last video, I was like, guys, please be careful. You know, please be careful. Don't try to just try to time the bottom in the bear market. It's very dangerous. Very dangerous thing to do. So right now we're waiting for more people to come in. But while we're waiting, let's go over BTC chart real quick. And then we're gonna talk about Tron a little bit. I know I be having a lot of tabs open, man. I know, I understand that. I don't know why. I gotta fix that. But you know, we have these clear flags on BTC, you know, in this channel. So BTC was just going down, not caring about nobody. That's why I said, guys, that's why I said, be careful, because most people, when they see these big bars, automatically they think that's the bottom. So big bar right here, he got stopped out. The market's going up, stopped out. Another bar right here, stopped out. Another good size bar right here. we created a flag, stopped out. So you can't keep on getting fooled. Another good bar right here, another good bar right here, stopped out. So, you know, it's up to you. It's up to you how many times you want to, you know, to get fooled. Because at the end of the day, you are the one that's controlling your investment career. And you have to realize that what's really going on. Nobody could actually help you. You can only help yourself. So trying to time the bottoms in a downtrend, a bearish market, is suicide. Strictly reckless, dangerous. And when your favorite YouTuber says, "Don't worry about it, just buy the dips," when you lose money, he's not going to give you that money back. I would never tell nobody to buy the dips or do anything. I would tell somebody, listen, we are in a bearish market, and you know, it's probably best to look for shorts, but I would never tell them short right now or buy right now. Like that's I would never do that. So right now we are in this channel, and I'm looking for BTC to play out this channel. So far, I don't see any buyers coming in. I'm looking for BTC to go and play out this channel. I'm looking for the bottom of this channel to get hit. Like I said before, if you go to BTC, if you go to the volume, no buyers at all. Let's go to history. And the volume is still low. We have low volume. So it's no real buying at all. Nobody really care about people. I mean, nobody really care about buying this whole market. I'm talking about the big dogs. So we just have to wait and see. So let's go to the chat room and see what's going on. Hey. What's going on, Masai? What's going on? Mastermind said you said you shorted Tron. I did short Tron a week ago. Okay, that's what's up. He said I made already 7K for real. That's what's up. That's what's up, man. Let me hit that button for you. Let me hit that cha-ching button for you. That's what's up, man. He said, by the way, your course is good. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it. Thanks for your support. He said you finished the first part. Okay. That's all you need. What's going on, crypto gains? Exactly. The bears are very good at fooling people and playing with your emotions. And the rookies will basically lose pretty much their whole account. So, I mean, honestly, I'm surprised and really disappointed when it comes to YouTube. How many YouTubers really don't know what they're talking about? I'm really disappointed and surprised how these guys are, you know, telling people to do this and do that. It's so disgusting, man. It's really disgusting. And you know, a lot of people will lose a lot of money by that. So let's go back. What's going on? Deleted account. What's looking for you, bro? Oh, you said you was looking for me? I hear you. I hear you. Yeah, so right now, I was telling my early the people that's in the chat early. Right now, I'm in Ethereum. I'm in Ethereum and I'm in BTC right now. My Ethereum trade it completed the 101. But my BTC, the last time I checked, it didn't complete the 101 yet. So I will, at any moment, If I don't like how BTC is looking, I will get out that trade. I will get out the BTC trade. But my Ethereum trade is actually looking real good. Let's go back to Ethereum. Look at it, Ethereum. It's looking real good. So I'm happy with the Ethereum trade. BTC trade, I will get out if I feel like it's if it's not looking good. I will get out. But that's where I'm at right now. And I told you guys that you can't, man. It's just, I don't know, man. Some of you guys just don't understand. Buy and hold is just one way to do things. And most people that been buying and holding, they've been waiting for close to 7 months now, because we're about to hit July. 7 months of just sitting and waiting and being depressed. You know how many times I tell people, listen, guys, you can make money right now. You can make money right now, but you want to sit and be depressed just because you are listening to your favorite YouTuber that's saying be patient. So, you know, at the end of the day, it's up to whoever. I know, right? One more shop says they talk about how to eat ramen. Oh man, for real, man. $7 says Big Ben is the Malcolm X of crypto. He tells us how us unfiltered truth. Thanks a lot, man. You said I have to subscribe, my dude. You don't clickbait like other YouTubers. Thanks a lot. I appreciate it. So yeah, so we are playing out this triangle, and I will get to Tron in a moment. I'm just trying to let more people come in the chat room. Shout out to everybody that's in this chat room. Glad to see everybody's here. I'm quite sure more people will come in soon. So let's see. Let's see. Let's see what's in the chat room. I'm reading the comments, guys, so give me a second. Kill Switch, what's going on, Kill Switch? He said, sick of tired hearing HODL makes me want to punch them in the teeth. Riot, what's going on? For some reason, people believe that the market will be bullish in October. Out of all months makes, you know what I'm saying? Exactly. What's going on, Tim? He said, out of all months, what makes October, you know, a magical month? So basically, people have been saying, this is what most people have been saying, right? Hold on for a second. Hold on for a second. All right, so most people have been saying when we dropped off in January, oh, don't worry about it. When we had that sell-off, oh, don't worry about it. It's just the beginning of the year, you know. It will go up. And for matter of fact, before I even get, you know, finished, for you guys that's new to my channel, I'm not a full-time bear, meaning I don't hate crypto. I don't, you know, like, I'm not like a old guy that don't get it. I love crypto. I'm holding crypto like you guys. But at the same time, I have to go along with the market. I am a professional, so in order for me to continue to make money and pay my bills, I have to go along with the major trend. And right now, the major trend is down. So for you guys that just tuning in and probably don't really understand what I'm talking about, you probably just think automatically I'm against crypto. No, that's not the case. It's just I have to make money consistently. So in January, the market was going down. They said, guys, don't worry about it. That's just, you know, the beginning of the year. The market will go back up, right? And then they said when the market was trying to rebound and start to go back down, they said, oh, don't worry about it. It's just Chinese New Year's, you know, Chinese New Year's. The market will go back up, right? And then when the market continued to go down, they said, don't worry about it, guys. People are waiting for their tax return, so Don't worry, the market will continue to go up. And then we have this drop off. Then we had that SEC meeting, right? And said, you know, you see that? I told you they're going to save the market. So, you know, the market was going up, looking nice. And then this is actually when I actually turned bearish right here, was in March. When it reacted to this trend line right here and I saw all this selling, that's when I actually turned bearish. I was like, that's not a good sign, because when we went back to 10,000, we should have held that level, consolidated a little bit right here, and started to make higher highs. We ain't doing none of that stuff. We rejected the 10,000 level twice. So let me zoom in for that real quick. We rejected the 10,000 level twice. So we went to it, boom, went back down and went twice. So when we hit this trend line and we rejected the 10,000 area, 11,000, and I saw a lot of selling, that's when I told my subscribers, guys, this don't look good. Most likely we're going to be in the bear market. So ever since then, I haven't been looking for any buys. I haven't been looking for anything. I just been straight up with my subscribers. I just say, you know, take your profits. With Tron TRX, I was telling them, guys, you know, it's probably best for you to take profits because we are in the bear market. And so, you know, from there, people were saying, yeah, the you know, SEC meeting is going to save everything, and we're going to go back to 20,000. So that's what they said. And then next thing you know, everything starts selling off. And then they said, okay, look, we have a double bottom right here. So don't worry, guys, everything will be fine. And then it went up, and then we couldn't even hit 10,000. That's why I knew, again, it was weak. So when we couldn't really get to 10,000 and it went right back down, that's when I was like, oh my gosh, this is not looking good. So ever since then, they have been talking about a triple bottom. Guys, don't worry about it. A triple bottom. We're gonna have a triple bottom. So you know, when that triple bottom comes in, the market going to you know, reverse. So we had a triple bottom right here. We had a triple bottom right here. We had a triple bottom right here, and of course they're gonna call this a triple bottom. So how many times you gonna call the market a triple bottom? And then of course right here they gonna say that, you know, the market's gonna reverse. And like I said before, I'm not against crypto, but I understand the market cycles. I have been doing this for 10 years. I understand that every year can't be a up year. Every year can't be a bull year. You know, we have these bear cycles that comes, and some of them last for 2 years plus. So I warn people, listen, guys, chill out. I mean, don't try to buy every little bottom that you see, because this thing might last for a long time. And you know, I'm quite sure you don't have that type of money to keep on buying for 2 to 3, for 4 or 5 years. I was listening to a YouTuber not too long ago, I think yesterday. He said most of his subscribers is telling him, I don't have enough money to keep on buying the dips. I ran out of money. And that's sad, because these YouTubers are giving people bad advice. They telling them buy every single dip, and now they are, you know, they ran out of money, and they probably are pretty much put their whole life savings in the crypto world. So like I said before, be careful out here, guys. It's a dangerous game, trying to time the bottom in the bear market, because this bad boy could actually continue to go down lower and lower and lower. So just be careful, guys. That's it. So let's go back to the chat room and see what's going on. Oh man, I'm reading these comments, man. Ace said all my holdings are in Tron, and I'm about to take it out, take the half, and start trading Ben's weight. I hear that, Ace. So Rajo said they are waiting for the ETF news. Listen, man, in the bear market, nothing can save, no news can save nobody. Walmart shopper said, Crypto fans say, "Hey Ben, you rock." Question: I hodl. Don't mind being patient. I'm diversified heavily. Find the next X coin. Good or bad opinion. So, crypto fan, are you new to my channel? I never saw you here. I never saw you, but crypto fan, crypto. Let me read his question real quick. He said, "Hey Ben, you rock." Thanks a lot, crypto man. He said, "Question: I like to hodl. Don't mind being patient. I am diversified heavily to find the next 100x coin. Good or bad strategy in your opinion?" Well, first of all, I can't give nobody financial advice, but if it was me, I would tell myself that's a bad strategy. Why? Because right now we are in a bear market, and a 100x coin, you probably ain't going to see that no time soon. If you know anything about bear markets, you know that these markets will last for a long time. I'm not making this stuff up. You can go back to Bitcoin in 2013, and you will see the numbers. You will see that Bitcoin in 2013, let's see if I can actually get this bad boy to work. 2013, we actually took 2 years for the market to start to create a bottom, and it took another 3 years to go back to the highs. So in total, it was basically a 5-year recovery. So it took 5 years to go right back to the high of this the market when it crashed. So I usually ask people, are you willing to wait that long? Do you really like your 9 to 5 that much that you're willing to wait 5 years or plus for your favorite coin to go up? Or do you want to learn how to make money now? And I understand that you are willing to be you are patient, and that's a good thing. Actually, being patient is actually a very good thing. So I'm not going to knock that. But being patient and being, how would I say, if you're not educated enough to understand how the market works, being patient can actually hurt you, because being patient could literally take your whole bank account, and you'll be on your butt waiting for a long time. So in my opinion, you can actually make more money. Let's say that the market does the same thing again, and don't tell me that this is not possible. It is possible, because in 2013 it was an unregulated market. This market most likely is going to be regulated. So don't tell me, oh, that can't happen again. So back in 2013, it took 5 years to recover, go all the way back to the top. So in 5 years, imagine how much money you can actually make in 5 years by going with the market, with the trend. And the trend right now is down. And I'm willing to short every dip, rally, pullback, whatever you want to call it, and to make money, because I believe this bad boy will continue to go lower. So that's the answer to your question. However you want to take that, that's up to you. So let's go back to the chat room. So I'm gonna get to TRX soon, okay? I don't believe in holding too many coins either. You just lose, you will lose your mind. Exactly. You definitely will lose your mind. So Matt said his 7K becomes 8K soon. That's what's up, man. Shout out to Matt. He's making that bread, man. So beat guys, you buying what? You said you buying what? What you buying? All right, that's what's up. Yeah, no problem, no problem. Crypto fan, I appreciate this. I appreciate you coming through. And I know sometimes I know it's hard to change the way you think, because think about it. We've been brainwashed pretty much all our lives. So let's say that you're 25 years old. You know, your whole life you've been brainwashed. So it's going to be sometimes it's very hard for people to snap out of it and, you know, change right away. It's going to take time. Some people will change right away because they see the writings on the wall. They see how the rich is basically manipulating the market and how they can actually take advantage of that. But some people, it's going to take time for them to understand, which is okay, you know. But shout out to the people that's new to my channel. Thank you. Thanks a lot for coming through. I appreciate it. So let's go to Tron real quick. And like I said before, right now I'm in 2 trades. I'm in Ethereum. I'm in Ethereum right now, and I'm in BTC. My Ethereum is looking real good. I passed the 1-on-1, the 1-to-1 mark, but the BTC, I will get out of BTC if I don't like how it looks. If I don't like how BTC looks, I'm out of it, you know. But my Ethereum is actually looking real good, and that's it. So let's go to Tron real quick. Damn, look at Tron. Sheesh. Guys, we talked about this. We talked about this, what was that, like 5 hours ago. I made a live stream about Tron like 5 hours ago, and I had a good talk to the people that's holding Tron. I told you guys that I understand that you love Tron. I understand that you want to hold Tron. You believe in Justin's son. I understand that. I understand everything. I used to be a person that was new to the market, and I understand that when you are new and you buy something for the first time, you have some type of emotional attachment to that, to the stock or to the coin. So I understand a lot of you guys are connected to certain coins, but I have to I have to give you the real deal and tell you how things work, because I live this stuff. I do this full time. So it's impossible for me to come on YouTube and hype things up and tell you what's not really going on. A lot of these YouTubers, basically, they just want views so they can get AdSense revenue, so they can promote ICOs or whatever the case is. But me, I have to give you the real deal because I'm living this stuff. These dudes don't do this full time. And I told you guys that it's a strong possibility that this candle right here will get wiped out, and that's what happened. So most likely we will continue to go down lower, and it's going down lower with BTC. We are in a bear market, guys. So it doesn't matter how many good news, how much good news TRX come out with. It doesn't matter how much Justin's son tweets out something on his Twitter. It doesn't matter. We are in a bear market, and what that means is a bear market means that we are going down. That's all it means. Just like in 2013, it lasted for 2 years, and I believe this will continue to last for 2 years too, or more. So this is just the beginning, right? So I know you guys don't want to hear that, but I have to tell you the truth. I can't just come on here and tell you things that you want to hear. I just can't do that, even though you might not want to hear it. This is okay. But what I told earlier, earlier in my live stream, I told my Tron holders, I said, listen, guys, I know you don't want to hear this, but I have good news for you. You don't have to sell your Tron if you don't want to. It's up to you, right? It's up to you if you want to keep your Tron. That's fine, whatever you want to do. But I told them that you can actually start to make money now if you want to. If you are willing to change your mind, change the way you think, you can actually make money now in this current market. And I told them that it's best to have 2 strategies in place, because if you don't, you will get caught when the market turns into a bear market. So when you only have one strategy, it only works if the market is going up. Most people that I know on YouTube, they only have one strategy, and that strategy is to buy. I want to buy, I want to buy, I want to buy, I want to buy. And that strategy works. It works, right? We saw it work in 2017. But when the market starts to correct itself and start to turn into a bear, that strategy is not going to work no more. And most people is going to try to buy every little bottom, thinking that that's a dip. And that's a sign of a rookie investor, a person that don't understand how the market works. This is not dips. This is a trend. We are downtrending, right? These are dips. When the market is going up, these are dips. These pullbacks are dips. It's a difference. The market is going up, so it's dipping and then pulling, and it's going to continue to go up. It's dipping, continue to go up, dipping, continue to go up, dipping, continue to go up. But these are not dips. These are, the market is going down. The whole trend is down. So you have to be careful out here. People talking about every, every little thing is a dip. This is not a dip. That's how I know these YouTubers don't know what they're talking about. They talking about, oh, I'm looking to buy this dip right here. That's not a dip. These are strict. This is a strict downtrend. We are in the bear market, and you have to educate yourself to understand that we are in the bear market. That's your job. That's your job. Nobody else could save you. You have to save yourself. You have to educate yourself and understand what's going on. So let's go back to Tron. And Tron right now is not looking good. Heavy sell right there. A heavy sell right here. And you know, a lot of people came on my chat, I think the other day, and they saw this big pop. They saw this big pop and they said, "You see that, Ben?" I was like, "Yes, I see that." But it doesn't excite me because we are in a bear market. Ever since we hit this resistance line right here, because, you know, we rejected right here, rejected right here, right here. So sellers came in. Ever since we hit that line the last time, the market been selling off. So, and ever since then, we just been going down. We broke the trend line. We are below the moving average. And if you notice that Tron went back to the resistance area, and this resistance area turned into support. So we popped out. We actually, buyers came into the support area, bought Tron up a little bit, and we found resistance right here at the moving average. So as soon as it hit the moving average, it went right back down. I told you guys that don't look good. I told you guys in a couple of streams ago that that doesn't look good. So you have to be careful out here. Try not to listen to a lot of people. They don't know what they're talking about. So let's go to the chat room and see what these guys are talking about. I'm going to the chat room. I'm looking at the chat, so give me a second, guys. Exactly, they put their life savings. Exactly. HD say preach. All right, that's what's up. Oh, what's going on, Keith? What's going on, Keith? Guys, yeah, hit the likes, guys. If you are in this building, hit the likes. So you said it's a natural correction is caused by. So you said, Randy, what's going on, Randy? Keith, I bought the course and I'm studying right now. Yes. Thanks a lot, Keith. So Randy said, what's up, Big Ben? Why you say the market is correcting itself when we know that the market is in downtrend and manipulation? Is this still a natural correction or is it caused by manipulation? It's both. Correction means a lot of things. It just means that it's going back to its original state. Let me, for you guys that are new, for you guys that's new, in my channel, shout out to the people that's new. I have a course, so let's get that out of the way. Let's get this out of the way. During the live stream, basically 50% off. I give this 50% off, and you can support the channel. So let's get that out of the way, so we can go back to the chat. I mean, to the charts. So the reason why you want to get this course is because it will show you how to make money in the downtrend. Right now, put it like that. But not only it will show you how to make money in the downtrend, it will show you how to make money in the bull trend too. So this is the best of both worlds. The only crypto product on the market like that. So last 2 weeks ago, I made 15 grand when the market went down. My student made one student made 4 grand, another student made 400, another student made 800. Actually, where's that guy at? Fetch, he made $800 spending 3 days. Somebody that's in this chat room, shout out to somebody, what's his name? Was it Messiah, I think. He said he made, he's up right now. I think you said 7. You up 7 right now. And Paul right now, he actually came on my stream, I think yesterday. He says he was up 2 grand. So shout out to Paul. So this course will show you how to make money now, because that's what we're doing. The market is going down. It will show you how to read the charts, show you how to make money now. And basically, I give a 50% discount during the live stream. So take advantage of that. If you have a 9 to 5, you can still trade. It's not about day trading. It's about swing trading, holding trades for 2 to 3 days or a week or two. And also, if you live in the United States, you can still short. You don't have to fund your account with 10K. You can fund it with $50 or less. I mean, $50 or $100, whatever. And so if you are interested, let me copy and paste this link. So let me get back to the chat. All right. So I'm gonna copy and paste this link. So Messiah said he's up 7K and he bought my course. So shout out to him. Actually, let me hit this cha-ching button. Let me hit the cha-ching button for him. Shout out to him. He's making money. TB $ says Big Ben is the real deal. Course paid for itself in less than a week. Shout out, man. Thanks a lot, guys. Keith Mitchell said, anybody new here, get Ben's course. Big Ben's course. I'm short trade now in the profit. So guys, right now, I told you guys, because I know some of you guys are late. Some of you guys are late in this chat room. So right now, I'm in 2 trades. I'm in Ethereum right now. I'm in Ethereum and I'm in the BTC trade. My Ethereum trade actually is past the 1-to-1 stage, so I'm pretty much good. I'm in the green with my Ethereum trade is at 1-to-1. My BTC trade right now is it's not really at 1-to-1, and I'm willing to get out my BTC trade if I don't like how it looks. So if my BTC trade, you know, if I don't like how it looks, I'm willing to get out of this stuff. But my Ethereum trade actually looking real good. I'm in the profit, and I'm basically using the same patterns that's in this course right here. So like I said, it's up to you. Some of you guys will never get it. Some of you guys are just still stuck with, oh, I gotta buy. Some of you guys are just still stuck in that stage, which is okay. I can't really convince anybody to do anything, but a lot of people are taking advantage of this course and they making money now in real time. People on the live stream could actually tell you. So like I said, I copied and pasted the link in the thing, so it's up to you if you want to get it. So let's go back to the chat room. Yeah, I hear you, Beast Guy. Beast Guy, are you day trading? Why you day trading for? All right. So shout out to you guys, Rims. Hey, what's going on, Rims? Mike said, I will. I can't wait. That's what's up, man. So let's get back to the charts. So TRX right now, like I said, it's looking weak. So be careful out here. You might see a little bit buyers come in this area because we did hit this low, but don't get hyped. And what most people do, especially the people that are new to the investing world, when they can't read the market, every time the market pulls back, they think that's a buy signal. But that's not a buy signal. You have to understand the market goes down and it pulls back. That's how everything works. It'll never go down in a straight line, you know? So be careful out here. Don't try to buy every pullback in the bear market. So I'll show you right now. So imagine me trying to short BTC on every pullback, and it's in the bull market. I would lose my whole bank account doing that. I would short this every pullback. I was short. I would lose my bank account, and that's what people are trying to do right now. They're trying to buy every pullback in the bear market, and the market's going down, and they buying every pullback. They thinking that the market will continue to go up. That's not a good strategy at all. At all. So it's a dangerous strategy. Like I said, I'm really it's disgusting to see how. It's really disgusting to see how some of these YouTubers are leading people down a wrong path, telling people something is pretty much going to hurt their bank account. You know, a lot of people are actually gonna actually lose money behind a lot of YouTubers because they're telling people to be careful. I mean, they're telling people to be patient and buy the dips. So be careful out here, guys. And if I was trying to buy the dip, number one, I would look for confirmation. That's number one. But I'm not a dip buyer. I like to go with the trend. But let's say I was trying to time the bottom, I will look for confirmation. And my confirmation would be the volume. The volume is so low. I want to see, let's go to year to date. I want to see the same type of volume that we saw in January. This is telling me that the big dogs is in the market. 10 billion, 16 billion, 16 billion, 21, 23, 18, 15, 18. Not 5, 4, 3, 5, 3, 3, 3, 5. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's just too. There's no buyers in there. There's no buyers in the market. This market is weak. So you have to be careful out here. Be real careful. And you know, people they get fooled easily. A lot of people get fooled easily because people are hyping them up. And that's why I tell people to educate themselves, because if you are educated, it's going to be hard to fool you, right? It's going to be hard to fool you and make you think a certain way. So if you are uneducated, these people could actually fool you and make you think that the market will continue to go up to 50K. When I heard Charlie Lee talking about 50K, when I heard the BitMEX CEO talking about 50K, when I heard somebody talking about 100K, when I heard John McAfee talking about I don't know, $1 million or something like that, when I heard all these big dogs talking about crypto this and crypto that is going to the moon, I knew something was wrong, because that's how the rich work. That's how they operate. They love to hype the guys that don't understand what's going on, hype them up so they can continue to buy. So you guys are continuing to buy in this downtrend, right? You're buying it right here. The market pulls back, you're buying it right here. You're buying it right here. You're buying it right here. The market pulls back. Oh, this thing looks like it's going to 10,000. I'm definitely going to buy this. You're losing money right here. You buy this. You buy this. You buy this. That's why a lot of people right now are saying that they don't have no more money to put in cryptocurrencies. They are pretty much, they ran out of money to keep on buying the dips. I hear that a lot now. So, it's up to you guys if you want to change the way you think. So let's go to the chat room. Let's see what you guys talking about. How long do you think TRX will go? How long do you think TRX will go? What do you mean by that? How long do I think it will go? Go down, you mean? I'm looking at these comments, guys. Sean, what's going on, Sean? Sean said, what is confirmation? I told you confirmation with me would be volume. But in a bear market, I don't try to time the bottom in a bear market. Just the same way, if it was a bull market, I would never try to time the top. Because people would think this was the top. People would think that was the top. Think this was the top. This was the top. You can lose so much money trying to go against the trend, the major trend, and that's why I don't do that. That's why I don't try to time the bottom or the tops, because you can lose so much money. Because what it is you're going to have you're going to get stuck in this mindset and thinking that your next trade is going to be the top. So for example, let's say that you short right here, right, and then it go up, and then you see this big red bar right here. You're going to convince yourself that this is the top. So you short this and then you lose money, and then you see another top right here. Then you're going to convince yourself that this is the top, and that's what happens when you pick the tops and bottoms. Every time the market goes down, you're going to create a habit of saying, you know what, this has to be the top, and then you see the market goes up and then stop you back out. So it's going to be a habit. Creating habits, bad habits that you shouldn't be creating, and you're gonna lose a lot of money trying to pick the tops and bottoms. That's why I just focus on the major trend, and it basically it will help you out if you focus on the major trend. So let's go to the HD said, Ben, I'm confused. How do you lose money if you don't sell your coins? Easily, HD. Your bank account or your portfolio is down. You are losing money. Even if the crypto market goes up 5-10 years from now, you're still losing money. Your portfolio is telling you that you lost money. That's why you lost money. Even if you didn't sell, your portfolio is saying that your money is in the red. So not only you will lose money, you will lose time because all your money is tied up, in either one coin or the market, and you don't have the opportunity to actually make more money because all your money is tied up. Yeah, as long as everything going down, Bitcoin will go down with it. Exactly. Exactly, Riot. Nah, I really, Bitcoin 10-year at the end of this year, 10K is very hard to see. So Messiah said, how far can it go down when you look at the chart? Oh, I don't know. I don't know how far Tron can go. I was saying Tron can actually go to 1 cent, and someone said, I forgot who said it. They said impossible. But you have to understand, we don't control the market, so anything is possible. Anything is possible. So HD said, I got you. That's what Tether's for? No, bro, no. Please. Don't let them fool you. I just finished talking about that. I just finished talking about hype, right? It's very easy to fool someone that's very uneducated. Tether is not regulated. It's unregulated. So what that simply means is they can actually do whatever to the books to make it seem like it's legit. Tether could go down any second. So if you want to park all your wealth into Tether, to me, that's a dangerous game. And I just talked about this. I talked about educating yourself to the point where it's going to be very hard for someone to fool you. Because most people on YouTube can get fooled very easy. That's why you have that Big Connect scam. A lot of people lost a lot of money with that Big Connect scam. How? Because they are it wasn't educated. And I'm not trying to pick on anybody. I'm not trying to talk down to nobody. I'm just saying that when we first do something, we don't know. So you have to understand, when I first entered the market, the stock market, I lost money too because I didn't know. I wasn't educated. I didn't understand how the market worked, so I lost money. So what I'm trying to say is, to get over that hump and not have people fool you all the time, you have to educate yourself. And this is how a lot of people actually got fooled with BitConnect, because they wasn't very educated when it came to the markets. But we also, we have to start somewhere. So sometimes we have to lose money in order to learn. So at the end of the day, it's up to you if you want to learn. That's it. It is what it is. Michael said, I'm all tied up. I hear you. I'm reading these comments, guys, so give me a second. So HD, you hear this, guys? HD said, nah, people knew that BitConnect was a Ponzi scheme. No, they didn't know. You know how I know? Because when I went on YouTube videos, and when people was talking about BitConnect is a scam, is a Ponzi scheme, you should see the negative comments that people got. They received a lot of negative comments talking about, oh, you don't know what you're talking about. It's not a Ponzi scheme, blah blah blah. So no, people didn't know it was a Ponzi scheme because they was very they wasn't educated, and they try to basically brush it off. So no, people knew, people didn't know. So Anthony said, I pay for your course. I'm in. All right, shout out Anthony. Let me hit the cha-ching button for Anthony. Let me hit that cha-ching button. Anthony got my course, and once Anthony study, he can actually start to make money. If he apply everything, study, that's what's up, Ant. So let me hit that cha-ching button for you again, right? Where's that cha-ching button? That's what's up, man. So if you just join in the chat, if you just join in the chat room, basically during the live streams, I give a 50% discount on the course that Anthony just bought. So this course is about how to read the charts and how to basically know when we are in the bull market, when we are in the bear market, and it will show you how to make money in both markets, the bear and the bull market. It's the only course on the crypto world that shows you how to make money on both sides. And if you are interested in trying to make money right now, instead of holding 2, 3, 4, 5 years and being patient and wait, then this course is for you. Because right now, me and my subscribers are making money right now, right? Last week, I basically made 15 grand on when the market went down. This week, a lot of people, my subscribers, made a lot of money from that, from this down movement right here, right? I already showed you, Fetch made $800. Someone in this chat room said they up right now 7K. So using the same patterns that's in this course, because I told you guys these patterns repeat themselves over and over and over. So right now, currently, I'm in BTC trade right now. I'm in the BTC trade, and I'm in the Ethereum trade. My Ethereum trade is actually working better than my BTC trade. I'm actually a little past 1-to-1 on this trade, and my BTC trade is trying to get there. But I told you guys I'm willing to break even on my BTC trade. I'm willing to get out if I don't like how it looks, because we had 1, 2, 3, 4 trades, 4 good trades in a row. So right now I'm being a little cautious. That's all. I usually don't be too cautious when I trade, but I'm just being a little cautious because we had 4 good winning trades in a row. So I'm willing to, if I don't like how this looks, I'm willing to get out of BTC. But overall, my Ethereum is actually looking pretty good. We shot down a lot with the Ethereum, so it looks like the Ethereum is trying to at least hit the bottom of this candle. So we'll see. And this is all because of the patterns that's in this course. So let me copy and paste the link in this course, and let me basically get that over with. So we go to the chart. Okay. So I just copy and paste that. All right. So Big Mustache, he's going to be banned out of this thing. So Big Mustache is out of here, right? Because Big Mustache is talking some nonsense in the chat room. He's asking people, did they see me naked or something like that? So you out of here, Big Mustache. So let's go back to the chat room, see what these guys talking about. So I'm trying to pronounce his name. Gardock downloading it now. So shout out to Gardoc. I believe he just bought my course right now. I believe Gardoc just bought my course. So shout out to him. Like I said, if you just joined my chat room, there's a 50% discount. When an hour from now is going to go right back to 210. So shout out to Gardoc. He just bought my course. Let me hit that ching button for him. All right, that's what's up, man. Because in this chat room, in my thing, we are looking to make money now. We not looking to wait 2 to 3, 4, 5 years to make our money. I believe our generation, we don't have time to be waiting, bro, because I believe a recession is coming soon. So our generation don't have to be time. We don't have time to be waiting. You know, like I mean, it's like it's to the point where some of these people just have to wake up. This is 2018. People are so comfortable trying to say, "Oh, I'm okay. You know, it doesn't bother me. I'm willing to be patient." You're willing to be patient because you've been brainwashed to be patient. Meanwhile, these rich people are making money, taking your money, while you said you want to be patient, waiting 3, 4, 5 years from now, and they making money now. I don't got time for that. Forget about I don't know what's going to happen 3, 4, 5, 10 years from now. Anything can happen. Emergency could pop up, and while an emergency pops up, you don't even have money to have to take care of that emergency, because your money is tied up in the cryptocurrency world, and it's down. Your portfolio is down 80%. So you don't have time. You don't even have money to take care of your emergency, because anything can happen 5, 10, 20 years from now. So meanwhile, you waiting 5, 10, 20 years. We are here making money while the market is going down. So a lot of you guys just got to wake up. Stop trying to follow the crowd. The crowd is never right. The crowd is always wrong. They always late to the party. This is why they always continue to buy these dips, because they think the market will continue to go up to 20K, because they don't understand what's going on. That's the crowd. That's the majority. Start thinking like the rich, because the rich is rich for a reason. They are rich for a reason. I don't have time to be waiting 5, 10 years from now, bro. Anything can happen in 5 to 10 years. We have to make money now, because when this recession hits, this thing can be real bad. So let's continue. Let's go to the chat room and see what's going on. So Kebab said, "How can I buy it?" What do you mean? How can you buy it? Only discount is for us? Yes. So basically, I just copy and paste the link to the chat room, and you can buy it on the live stream, and that's only for the people that's on the live stream, because a lot of people can't make it to my live stream, and they have to pay full price. Trust me, people be pissed off. They gotta pay full price. So it's up to you if you want to take advantage. It's up to you. I just copy and paste the link to the chat. So Daniel said, "How do we get the 50% off?" It's Daniel. The 50% is already 50% off. This course is $210. I should make it $400, right? Because I'm giving you guys game. I'm giving you guys actually strategies that I'm using. I've been doing this for 10 years. You see that people are making 8 times, 7 times their money. They invested 110, and you have people like Fetch making $800. You have people like Paul that made 2 G's. You have people like Messiah that is up $2,000. I mean $7 grand. So this is the discount right here. It's $110. The original price is $210. So let me copy and paste the link for people that are confused. That's the discount. So when you go to the link, the discount is already there. You don't have to type in a code or anything like that. So let me do that again. So let's go back to the chat room. The rich want our money. Exactly. The rich want our money, Grizzly. You said, HD said, it's always somebody dumb in the chat room. Of course. That's why he got banned. You know, he's out of here. You know, I mean, honestly, I don't have time to, you know, get upset with that. I just keep it moving, you know, keep it cool. You have to learn how to control your emotions. All right, so let's go to the chat room. Michael said admitting is the first step. Exactly, Michael. Admitting is the first step. So if you are a drug addict, if you are alcoholic, right? You can't change if you don't admit. If you can't admit, right? So shout out to Michael. Exactly, Keith. This is a positive group, and I definitely like to keep it like that. So let me read these comments. So you said world will go under when? I'm not going to say the world is going to go under. But I'm saying that we will most likely have a bad recession. I'm going to talk about that probably in another stream. All right, that's what's up, Garlock. I mean, Gardoc. That's what's up, man. Thanks a lot for supporting the channel, man. Appreciate it. I'm reading the chat rooms, guys, so give me a second. So Kebab said, better write 50% off. Kebab, I don't have to write 50% off because I'm telling you right now, I'm telling you that it's 50% off. So if you are in a, this is only for the people that's on the live stream. So if I'm talking through the mic and you're hearing me and I'm saying this is 50% off, the original price is 210. I don't have to write 50% off anywhere. I'm telling you that the original price is 210. Okay, so let's go back to the chat. So crypto gains, can I buy this link later when I get home? What time you get home, crypto gains? So little mustache created another account, so I'm a block him. So big mustache and little mustache must be the same guy because he asked Keith, "How you doing, sexy?" Yo, Keith, you got somebody that got a crush on you, Keith. Yo, Keith got a, oh man, somebody got a crush on you, Keith. He made another account for you, Keith. He wanted to Yo, Keith, he wanted you so bad that he made another account for you, man. That's crazy. That's funny, man. You said how long is the stream? Kebab, are you at work right now? Crypto Gains, email me, Crypto Gains. Here's my email address, Crypto Gains. Email me because I know that you are on this chat room. No, Crypto Gains, you can't save the link. You can't save the link because by the time you come home, it's gonna go right back to 210. So email me, Crypto Gains. I know that you was on the chat room. Email me. I just gave you my email address, and I will definitely take care of you. Okay, Crypto Gains. I just put my email address. Did you get it, Crypto Gains? Yeah, I know, Keith. He's crazy, man. What's up, 45? All right. And Kebab, Crypto Gains is not emailing you, Kebab. He's not emailing you, all right? So chill with that, okay, Kebab? Kebab, chill with that, because Crypto Gains is not emailing you at all. So Magnum said, "Do I think I will see we will see 1 trillion at the end of what year? This year? Nah. 1 trillion. I know, right? 1 trillion. Nah. Basically, we at 244 billion. This is the bear market, so most likely we're going to continue to go down." I know, right? He about to make another account. Nah, 1 trillion. No, I don't see it because we are in the bear market, and usually bear markets last for a long time. Magnum. That's why me and my subscribers, we are short in the market, and we are making money by shorting the market. So no, I don't see 1 trillion by the end of this year. I'm sorry, I just don't see it because the market will most likely will continue to go down. So I'm reading these comments, guys. So give me a second. Yo, Crypto Inspo, what's going on? Making that money, yeah. So Crypto Inspo, right now I'm in Ethereum right now. My Ethereum trade is looking real good. I'm past my 1-to-1, and my BTC trade is slower than my Ethereum trade, and I'm willing to break even off this. If I don't like how it looks, I'm willing to break even, you know, get out this trade. But my Ethereum trade is looking real good right now, man. So, you know, that's good, man. Crypto Inspo, shout out to Crypto Inspo. Let's hit that cha-ching button for Crypto Inspo. On Crypto Inspo at the 123. A says, what a 1-to-1? A 1-to-1 is basically if you risk $100, that means that you're making $100. So the 1-to-1 is basically whatever you're risking, that means you're up that much. So let's say I'm risking $100. Now I'm up $100, you know? So that let's say that. So a 2-to-1 would be I'm up $200. You understand? If I was risking $100 on a trade. So let's go back to the chat. All right, 45. Good to see you back in the building. So Crypto Inspo, you okay? So you shorting BTC right now? That's what's up. I was telling these guys, man, be careful, man. Be careful out here. These gurus on YouTube, these so-called gurus on YouTube are telling these people to buy. You know, these buy these dips. I tell these guys, be careful, man, because they're not gonna give you money when you lose money. So shout out to everybody that's on this chat. I'm reading the chat room right now. So yeah, so basically Tron right now is looking weak. And you have to understand that, guys, we are in the bear market. Please be careful. Please be careful. I understand that you want your favorite coin to go up. Trust me, if I had the power, I would make the market go up too. So you guys won't lose money. But unfortunately, we are in a bear market, and that's how the bear market acts. It basically tricks you to think that it tricks you and fool you to think one way, and it's doing the opposite. So anything that's very easy or looks easy in a bear market is usually going to fail, and it's going to do the opposite of whatever you're trying to, you know, whatever you're thinking. So this big pump, a lot of people thought that Tron was going to moon again, and we found resistance right here at this moving average, and it's going down right now. So just be careful, guys. Be careful. Educate yourself. I told you that before. That's the only way. The rich and the people that's in power, that's the only way they won't continue to fool you, if you educate yourself. It's very easy to fool a person that's not educated. You know, it's almost like same thing like when you're talking to a little kid or baby. Basically, it's very easy to fool a kid or a baby because they don't know nothing. They don't know no better. So you have to educate yourself and learn how the market works, so that they can't fool you. Because everybody's trying to buy these dips and these bottoms, hoping that the market will go to 10K, and you know, you can lose a lot of money like that. So right now with BTC, I'm looking. Hopefully, it could go back to the bottom of the channel. We'll see though. I'll keep you guys updated with my trades. I told you guys, right now I'm playing defense. I'm playing real tight defense with BTC. Right? If I don't like how it looks, how it acts, I will get out this trade on my BTC. But my Ethereum is actually looking good. My Ethereum trade is looking real good right now. Nice solid red bar. So we'll see if this thing can continue to go down. So we'll see, guys. I'm about to get off this chat soon. Crypto Inspo said, I want this market to crash. I feel you, man. I feel you. Exactly, man. Keith Mitchell said, anyone holding Dodge? I don't know. I definitely don't know. So Hall said shorten Ethereum today. Thanks, Ben. He's up $385, man. Come on, guys. Let me just hit this cha-ching button for him, please. Congratulations, Hall. Hall took action and bought my course, and now he's up $385. This is what I'm talking about, guys. Taking a 110 investment and basically tripling in that investment, doubling the investment. So shout out to Hall. These guys are new to the investment world, and they are tired of losing money by from buying and holding. So shout out to these guys. I'm glad that some guys are willing to change the way they think and not only think buy. A lot of people just think buy. And while you can make money while the market's going down, because this market, the way it looks, it will continue to go down a lot. We are in the bear market, and that's what bear markets. That's what bears do. They take the market down. They try to hurt you. They try to make you bleed. You know, a lot of people are not suffering. That's how you really can tell. Or that's one way you can really tell the market is about to reverse, or it's close to the bottom, is when people are really screaming help. A lot of people is not screaming help right now because you have a lot of people still think that this is going to be the bottom right here. So a lot of people are not feeling the heat. So we got to continue to go down until these guys really feel the heat, until they feel like, yo, this is over. Until they feel cryptocurrency is over, that's when you can say, okay, maybe, you know, this market is going to reverse. But a lot of people is not feeling the heat. Some people are. Don't get it twisted. Some people are, like the people that bought the top in January, they feeling the heat. Because I get a lot of emails. There's one guy, he emailed me, said yesterday, it was day before yesterday, he's down 150K, and that's part of his retirement money. And most likely, if this market continue to go down, he would be down. He's going to be down more than 150K. So you have guys like that bought at the top, that's feeling it right now. But a lot of guys that is not feeling it right now. They still think this is a triple bottom. So the market got to squeeze these guys out to the point where they feel like this is it. This is the end of the world. And we didn't get to that point yet. I believe we have a lot more to go. So let's go back to the chat room. Yeah, shout out to Hall, man. Shout out to Hall. He made $385. I'm so happy for him, man. Let me hit that cha-ching button again. Cause Hall is Hall's a regular. Hall's a regular on my chat room. He comes to the live stream pretty much every time I have a live stream, and he's a regular. And he took the risk. He bought my course, and basically he's making money now. So shout out to him. And people that's new to my stream, I have a discount going on, 50%. If you want to take advantage of that, I'll copy and paste the link to the chat right now, because I'm about to get out of here soon. Let's see what's going on in the chat room. So Magnum said, this is what Magnum said, okay? Magnum said, what about the theory that you only lose if you sell? If you really believe in your coin, then you can hold. Then the technology, eventually you will make money. So let me read that again. Magnum said, what about the theory that you only lose if you sell? If you really believe in your coin, then if you hold, then the technology, eventually you will make money, right? That's what he said. So let me base. I guess this is my answer. I understand where you're coming from, but I also understand that I want you to tell that to the guy that emailed me a couple of days ago that basically he's down 150K, $150,000 he's down. That's part of his retirement. And if the market continue to go down, which I believe it will, he would probably lose a lot more than 150K. So I want you to tell him that the same thing you say, hold your coin, believe in your coin, and until, you know, things will iron out, whatever the case is. I want you to tell him that, because he's probably not going to sleep well for a long time. He's probably when he retires, he's probably going to have to get a part-time job, because the thing with most people, they don't understand is when you buy and hold and the market turn bearish, the bear market could last for a long time. That's number one, right? And a lot of people, this is what most people don't understand. A lot of people don't know how to take profits. So a lot of people, the market probably gonna go to the entry point when they bought it. So they're gonna be break even. So it's gonna be a while for anybody to see any profits. So we can go back to 2013 when the market crashed, right? It took 2 years for it to recover, and then it took another 3 years for it to go back to the top. So in total, it was a 5 years. It took 5 years for the market to recover. And you telling me that you're willing to wait 5 years, or even more, because you have to remember, guys, this was a unregulated market right here that took 5 years. This market that we looking at right now is going to be regulated. So if you know anything about regulated markets, they're not as volatile as unregulated markets. So even though last crash that we had, it was 5 years before we hit the top. It might take longer than that this year or this time, because it's going to be a regulated market, and regulated markets don't move as fast as unregulated markets. So to your question, or to answer your question, basically, number one, you are losing money. Even though you're not selling, you're still losing money. It's just what it is. So you in the red, you're losing money. Even though you're not selling, your portfolio said you lost money. Not only that, you might have to wait 8-10 years from now to get back to break even. And not only that, while you're waiting 8-10 years from now, we're going to make money that whole stretch. So at the end of the day, it's up to you if you're willing to wait that long. I don't, like I said before, I think our generation, we don't have time to be waiting. We don't have time to be smiling and thinking everything's the game, because a recession, I believe, will hit soon. So we don't have time to be smiling and waiting and be patient. You have to learn how to make money now. And for the people that just want to be hodlers, right? Want to hodl, that's on you. I'm okay with that, But at the end of the day, we are continuing to make money. Me and my subscribers are going to continue to make money. While you're waiting 2, 4, 5, 8 years from now, we're going to continue to make money. So you can actually make more money by participating in the market right now versus you waiting 5, 6, 8 years from now. And most people don't think like that, but I get it, because we all been brainwashed to think a certain way, and that certain way is buy and hold. We all been brainwashed to think that way. Meanwhile, the rich is selling the market and making millions of dollars. They making millions of dollars, and meanwhile, you stuck in that buy and hold. If I don't sell it, I'm not going to lose money type of mindset. And meanwhile, me and my subscribers is actually making money. So that's the answer to your question. You are losing money, regardless if you're not selling or not. You're still losing money. Your money is gone right now. Most people money is their portfolio is down 80%. So you're losing money. It's probably going to take a long time for it to recover, and I don't have time to be waiting. We don't know what's going to happen 8, 10, 5 years from now. Any type of emergency could pop up, and you don't even have money to take care of that emergency, because your money is tied up into cryptocurrencies, and basically you could be depressed. So I don't like that strategy, and it is what it is. So let's go to the chat room. No, I don't mind crypto at all. No, I don't understand mining at all. So, and plus, it seems like you need a lot of computers to mine. So, to me, it's not a really it's a waste of time for me, in my opinion. Vin, you said the measure moved down to 4 hour. You getting 55? Yes, 55. Let me see. Yeah, it's around like a 55 area. So for the most part, I'm looking for 56, 55 for the market to go down. We'll see though. So let's go back to the questions. So Crypto Inspo said, I bought at the top. I know how that feels. Yeah, I hear you, man. I hear you. And trust me, when I was starting out, I bought at the top too, because I didn't want to miss out. I didn't like, you know, you see people making money, so you don't want to miss out. So you just buy anywhere. You just buy. You don't even know you buy in the top because you're not educated yet. So that's why it's very good to educate yourself. And like I said before, during this stream, it's going to be very hard for people to fool you and trick you if you are very educated. If you don't have no education, people can do a lot of things. They can manipulate you. They can tell you anything, and you will just believe it just because you don't have knowledge. So that's why a lot of people on YouTube are following these people that have 100K subscribers, because they don't have any knowledge and they're not willing to learn. That's another thing. They're not willing to learn. They have been so brainwashed to the point where they don't want to learn. They think that they're doing everything right. So let's go back to the chat. You said maybe the bearish market is to weed out the weak hands. Yeah, of course. They always want to weed out the weak hands and take your money. So Michael said he can't really do too much till he get even. Didn't take my profits when I should have. So shout out to Michael. I understand, Michael. I understand, his feeling. Michael said that he should have took profits when he should have. I think he got Tron. I think he owned Tron. And a couple of videos, like, I don't know, two months ago, I was talking about Tron when it was pumping. I said, guys, you may probably want to take, some profits because this is a bear market, and I like to take profits. And a lot of people actually took my, they basically just say, yo, Ben, I'm glad that you told me that, because I took profits and now I'm in the green. Of course, I don't give nobody financial advice. That's entertainment only. But, I'm just telling people that's probably something that you probably want to do, And a lot of people didn't take their profits. So right now, trust me, a lot of people was in the green right now. But now, since it's reversing, they aren't feeling it. So Michael, right now, shout out to Michael. I understand your pain, Michael. Right now he said he can't do anything because he's stuck, in the coin. So I understand, man. I hope everything works out. But the thing, Michael, you can actually change your situation right now. I don't know where you work, but you can save up some money and, save maybe a couple of hundred. Of course, I'm not giving you financial advice, but if you want to do that, save up some money. It don't have to be that much, $500 or whatever, and start trying to make some money back. So like I said, that's the beauty of life, guys. The beauty of life is you can actually always press the reset button. You don't have to be stuck in a situation. You can always try to get yourself out of that situation. So let's go to the chat. Hey Leslie, how you doing, Leslie? Hung, what's going on? Got short BTC easily. All right, that's what's up, man. Right now, like I said, I'm short BTC. And if I don't like this trade, I will get out. I will get out my BTC if I feel like it's not looking too good, because overall we got 1, 2, 3, 4 trades in a row. So I have to, you know, be cautious on that one. But my Ethereum actually is looking real good. So I'm hoping my Ethereum actually work out. Let's go to the Ethereum real quick. My Ethereum is actually looking way better than my BTC trade. And I'm about to get off the stream soon. This thing is loading up. I don't know what's going on. But there we go. Okay, so my Ethereum trade is looking way better. And for some reason, it seems like Ethereum is leading the market. Well, right now is leading the market. So Ethereum looks like it's going to try to hit this low right here. So that would be definitely a good for me. Let me see what's XRP doing, because you know you have these lot of XRP guys on the chat. I mean on YouTube. Damn, XRP looks like it's trying to hit this. I mean, go lower than this. Damn, I think we're gonna have another big burst. I don't know when though. I think we're gonna have another big burst. Right? We'll see though. A big burst, it might let me see, if we get a big burst, it might go down to either, shoot, if we get a big burst, I'm talking about at least 5,000 all the way to like 48. And then next thing you know, you're gonna see the market try to test the breakout. So don't be surprised if this market is go nuts. Let's go to the chat room. I'm gonna go to the chat room, guys. You can still hear me, because I don't know if my chat thing is still working. Guys, you still hear me in the chat room or what? Guys, can you hear me? All right, cool. Hong, you can short on BitMax if you want to. But anyway, True Values representation. True Values. I use Javax, and I don't have no problems with them. But at the end of the day, you can use any broker if you want to. I know Javax, we can deposit $50 in it. I had no problems with them. Okay, but I'm about to get out of here, guys. I appreciate everybody on the chat room. Appreciate everybody coming through. We'll see if we wake up and see this bad boy going down like crazy. You know what I'm saying? I just feel sorry for the people that just trying to time the bottoms. You know. Now, can this thing go up? Can BTC go up? Yeah, anything is possible. Anything is possible. BTC can actually go up to this trend line, but the way I'm looking at this, is I don't think it has enough juice to go up to any of these resistance line yet. I think BTC wants to go down and stop the people out that actually bought this up move right here. That's what I'm thinking. That's all. This market is so weak. Look at the volume, 5 billion, 4 billion is so weak, man. So like I said, I don't think BTC wants to go up past whatever right here. So we'll see tonight. So I'm about to get out of here, guys. Thank you for your time. Thank you for hanging out with me. I'm glad that we can hang out and be adults and just chill out. And for your people that don't have the course yet, make sure you take advantage of this, because in a half an hour I'm gonna raise the price back up to 210. Right now it's at the 50% discount, so I'm gonna raise it right back to 210 in a half an hour. So let me get out of here, get something to drink. Hey, 911, hey, how you doing, man? Hard to feel bearish laying on the South Beach. What's good, man? What's going on? So guys, man, make sure that you study, take it easy. I hope everybody has a good night. Make sure that you take this and don't treat it like a hobby. Treat it like a business. Educate yourself, because once you educate yourself, it's going to be hard for people to take advantage of you. You know, it's going to be very hard. So shout out to the people. I don't know if y'all guys still hear me. I don't know if this live stream is still working pretty good. I don't know what's going on. I don't see no replies yet, but I'm about to get off this live stream. I don't see nobody replying to the chat room yet. So I'm thinking this live stream. Okay, yeah, okay. I see somebody said good night. All right. So guys, good night. Good night, Mason, Vin, YOLO, everybody that's on the chat. I can't name everybody, you know. Michael, Crypto Inspo, everybody on the chat. Good night. Exactly, Crypto Inspo. Good night, everybody. Make sure that you have a good night. Study. Anthony, 45, Glenn, John, everybody. HD. Good night. Make sure you guys study. Vin, good night, Vin. And be safe out here, man. Be safe. Do not try to be Superman and trying to buy every little dip. Even if BTC pops up, the volume is so low that most likely those are fake buyers. So guys, good night. Have a good night. And I'm about to either get something to eat or get some water. I'm thirsty. So